Hey guys, so welcome back again to my channel. For today, if you can see right here, we have another unboxing and I will show you guys my new sandals from Tommy Jeans. So before I show you my new sandals guys, papakita ko lang muna yung box para ma-appreciate naman natin. So this is what the box looks like. Parang tongue twister. So this is what the box looks like. So here at the top may Tommy Jeans na nakalagay with the Tommy Hilfiger logo, of course, yung flag. Here meron din Tommy Jeans. Sa side, same. So basically, kahit saang side ng box, gusto niyang malaman mo na Tommy Jeans siya. And here, so I got a size 40 or 7.5. 7.5 talaga ako eh. But I typically just get 8 para sa socks at saka para maluwag. But since this is a sandal, okay lang na yung talagang true to size ko, which is 7.5. And here at the bottom, yun, kalagay tommy.com with the flag logo. So ayun lang siya guys. So now let's check out the sandals. Well, actually these are slides. And, so ito siya guys. So, meron siyang hanger. Ayan, nakalagay Tommy Jeans. So, pwede mo siyang i-hang when you store it. And, these are the slides. And, ito siya. This is what it looks like. Now, very noticeable of course, dito sa slides na to is the Tommy Jeans na logo. So, you have here Tommy Jeans with the Tommy Hilfiger na flag. And looking at it closely, rubberized siya guys. So naka-emboss yung Tommy Jeans dito. So maganda rin. So hindi lang siya naka-print. It's embossed at saka rubberized. Nakaangat yung mga letters. So ayun siya. Which is nice. Although hindi naman mapapansin na masyado pag suot mo siya, diba? So other than that, dito sa loob nakalagay Tommy Jeans. So again, ayaw niyang hindi mo malaman na Tommy Jeans siya. Then, dito sa side, ganun din, nakalagay Tommy Jeans. Ayan o. Tama ba? Ayan, Tommy Jeans. Sa side ba? Sa kabila, wala. Then, sa ilalim, ayun din, Tommy Jeans nakalagay. So, basically, again, gaya ng box, kahit sang angle mo tignan, alam mo na Tommy Jeans siya. And yun lang siya guys. What else? Dito nakalagay ito yung tag niya. Dito Tommy Jeans. And nagustuhan ko lang siya kasi very simple design. Yung slide. Then color black. So nice din. It goes with everything. And I'm checking the inside. Malambot yung loob niya. May para siyang ang tawag dito sa material na to. Yung parang sa shoes. So, it's comfortable. Hindi yung actual rubber yung nasa foot mo. Diba? So, what I like about this design or yung slide is that I can use it kahit wala ako sa beach or sa pool. Diba? So, I can still use it going out and about. Pag nasa mall ako, mag-grocery, magko-coffee. Diba? Can just wear it with shorts, then a t-shirt. Diba? So, pwede na. Or pwede rin jeans, then t-shirt din ito. Diba? Para mabilis lang din. And what else? So, yun lang. Ganda rin, diba? So, perfect talaga siya for summer, for our vacations, or yung sinasabi nga nilang revenge travel after all of the lockdown, diba? So there you go guys. It's a very quick unboxing of my new slides. I hope you like this video and I will see you again next time. Bye guys.